हेलो व्यूअर्स। कल हमने टाइम सीरीज फोरकास्टिंग की बात की थी। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन systems were a tool and there is a time now when systems are co-workers. Feel free to take a random guess. I will try कि मैं वीडियो के टाइटल में मेंशन ना करूँ but if I mentioned, you already know the topic, the agentic AI. Right now most of the people are using basic AI. Basic AI simply means you give it a prompt and it answers, right? You give it a prompt and it generates image or audio or something. But सोच के देखो, it could do the entire task for you. Would it be awesome? Because that's what has this agentic workflow or agentic AI has promised to us. For the people जिन्हें अभी समझ नहीं आया है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा confusing हो रहा होगा. Basically what I am saying is there is a worker and there is a manager. Using AI as basic chat GPT or something, तो it is just like a solo worker कि तुम्हें काम दिया गया और तुमने वो कर दिया. But using agentic AI is like you are a manager now. You assign a task and those subtasks and all the possibilities will be taken care of by your workers. Let's take an example. You are telling an AI to write a blog. Let's say machine learning. And जब तुमने देखा कि उसने जैसा लिखा है इट्स नॉट राइट, तो तुमने उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया कि ये चीज़ें नहीं यूज़ करना और ये चीज़ें यूज़ करना है, यहाँ इमेजेस डालना है. वो जस्ट गैदर्ड इमेजेस एंड देन यू हैव अपलोडेड इट, लॉग्ड इनटू अकाउंट एंड यू हैव डन एवरीथिंग. ठीक है. द होल प्रोसेस कैन बी मैनेज्ड बाय एजेंटिक AI. It can create blogs, it can make it professional automatically, it can add images automatically, and it can log into your account and it can finally push it. You will be pushing a daily new blog without your intervention. Note that I am not saying कि it is 100% accurate, but I am saying that कि वो 90-95% काम करेगा क्योंकि वो errors को handle कर लेगा. If this still doesn't sound like a game changer to you ना, let me tell you what we were doing before this agentic AI. हम क्या करते थे basically कि we used to write step-wise code. For example, step 1 copy from Excel and step 2 is process the data and put it to SQL Server database and something. Right. This is a simple step 3-step process. Now we are not doing this. We have evolved. Now we just give an instruction to process this data and transfer it to somewhere, and it automatically writes all the codes and it does all the process without our intervention. This means in the near future we won't just be automating data entry, we will be automating entire data pipelines, entire data analysis, basically from data fetching, cleaning, modeling, interpretation, report generation, those dashboards and everything. Right. Let me give you एक अच्छा सा example. Right. For example, I am a broadband provider. I want to find out कि कौन सा ऐसा कस्टमर है जो सबसे ज़्यादा बैंडविड्थ कंज्यूम करता है. I can write a prompt. It will generate a just-in-time dashboard for that customer specifically. The evolution is basically the reasoning thing. These agents correct itself on the go. कोई errors आ रहे हैं, it is reading your terminal and then fixing it and then suggesting you to execute this command. So the big takeaway is to start thinking of AI not just as a question answering machine, but as a potential orchestrator or complex task, basically just as a manager who can manage and orchestrate that everything is working fine. Right. Do you have any ideas? What will you do from it? Some interesting ideas. Let me know in comments. That's all from my side. This is Aditya, helping you stay ahead in AI and automation. See you tomorrow for day 3. Have a nice day.